Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlaira. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install PhpStorm on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon model. This guide works for both. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download PhpStorm and hit Enter. Click on the official JetBrains website in the search results. I've also added the direct link in the video description below. Once you're on the PhpStorm download page, choose your Mac type, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click Download. Save the file to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary based on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. A window will appear. Just drag the PhpStorm icon into the Applications folder. This will install PhpStorm on your Mac. Once that's done, you can close the window and delete the installer to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch PhpStorm. If a pop-up appears saying PhpStorm was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. On first launch, you'll need to accept the user agreement. Click Continue to proceed. If you have a license key, choose Activate Code and enter your credentials. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to try PhpStorm for free. And that's it. You've now installed PhpStorm on your Mac and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech tutorials from iFlaira. See you in the next one.